in my screen. Yeah. Welcome to ITSP guys. So when time I'm showing my channel, YouTube channel, those people watching the video, this is the first time video. If you are watching in a YouTube, just go through one time I trick study part, please. One time search this channel on a YouTube, I trick study part. This is the easy spelling, IDRIK study part. Okay. You will get more videos in a YouTube. You can search in a playlist. Playlist is there. Okay, here just go through this. String manipulation is the one video I uploaded in a single video. All strings related concept I covered in these videos. And Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC styles development is going on. This batch is going on, and this is our Oracle batch. It's going on, guys, continuously. Don't worry, I will teach zero to and I will upload a multiple videos in this channel. If you want if you want the quality training like IT training, so this is the place, and you can join the channel, guys, please. Okay, guys, okay. Here's the Spring MVC batch. Here is the Spring MVC batch. It's going on. One minute. This is the login application, I think so. Yeah. Okay. This is the 12th session is there, guys. If you really want to learn Java, any other technology, so this is the channel and free of cost channel. Here I am not teaching anything in the just here and there kind of thing. I will teach proper subject, okay, because I have knowledge. That's why I'm selling my knowledge free of cost. Here I will not charge anything. If you learn this thing in any institute, they charge like 10,000 to 12,000 approximately. They charge. Okay, advanced Java is going on, guys. Advanced Java batch is going on. 26 videos I have already uploaded, and this is the Oracle and the Spring Boot is going on. Don't worry, I will finish zero to hero. Spring security also I will teach, and the Spring Boot, data JPA also I will teach. All these things I will teach. Don't worry, but slowly we will learn. So this is all about my channel. This is not my channel, our channel, and this is our Facebook group, I think study bar. Those people don't know. Just follow this. Here I will upload the code, daily code I will upload in this group Facebook page. So you go and collect it. Last video I uploaded one login. Video is reminding, guys. Why? Because some network issues are there. That's why video didn't upload it. The video in the pending steps. Don't worry, I will upload it. Let him know. I will contact my technical team, then the team will solve the problem. Don't worry. Some network issues are there, guys. That's right. Okay, that's right. You can see network issue, how much network is there. So this is the I think coding part. I will change the name number. This is our Facebook page. So go and follow this page, guys. This is our last class. Doing MVC examples are also there. I will share before. So please, those people who really want quality education, quality training, IT training related to programming, this is the channel, guys. Go and attend it. Okay. This is the channel, guys. This is the only one channel in a YouTube. This is only one of the most channels in the YouTube. Really, I search a lot. I do the lot of practical on a YouTube. You can search it. Only one or two videos are uploaded. People uploaded. Just teach. They easily say that in one video you can learn Java. How it is possible here? I don't know. People can say how can say that one video you can learn Java. I don't really. He also don't know what is the Java. Okay, but people say that it's okay, not issue. It's not my choice, right? It's only depends on you. Which channel you choose. So please, if you're new here, just search this channel and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you. Just start our session, guys. Okay. So now, last class in the Oracle, guys, in last class Oracle, we have seen DDL, data definition language period. We have also seen it an alter, drop, and truncate is reminding, and rename is the reminding. Today I will discuss. And after that, DML I will start. To create is the simple, create an object like table, sequence, and indexes in the Oracle database. This is the simple syntax. And alter having three subqueries called add, modify, drop. And modify having two method, and add it means to simple add the column inside the add the column inside the table by using add method. How add? This one is this one is the syntax, this one is a query, and I will upload this node, don't worry. I will contact my team, then my team will upload it. So drop is the command. After this, drop. Here, modify is there. Okay, alter is the modify is there. Suppose if you want to change the data type of the table column, then this is the command modify input date. First is the varchar is there, but after the changing, it will change into the date. Okay, here, observe this, guys. Observe this. If you want to drop, if you want to drop particular like particular column, then you can use this command. What is the alternative one? EMP1, EMP1, EMP1 table is there in my database. So drop columns and these. So particular table will drop. Okay. Method two. If you want to drop a single or multiple columns by using parentheses, so you can use this command. You can also assign second one. Okay. One concept I discussed in the study sessions. What is the session? What is the recycle bin. Before the 10G, this much of recycling is not there. If you create or drop a table, it will directly drop the table from the database. But in over the 10G, interpretation drop table is one mechanism is there. If you do database, then the table will store inside the table will insert it inside the store inside the recycle bin. Are you getting my point? Then you can delete it. Then you can retrieve also. You can retrieve from the database. Okay. Now let's start. Now let's start today's session. This session is last session is 5. Now this session is 6 session. Okay. Okay, not an issue, guys. Session. This session is the quick reference Oracle database. Na? Here people cited Oracle. Oh. That's it. Oracle. So now let's start. Today's this topic is how. Last class I want to show you what is that. Yeah, let's clear screen. I want to open SQL place. SQL. Otherwise, open administrator. Na? It's good. SQL. Yeah. SQL place. Okay. Now open this. This is the client. This is client software to interact client with the database. So when you install this database, then you will get this much thing. I hope everyone, those people are one, two people are watching this video. The people already installed the Oracle software. I hope. So, okay. Now here, my password is system and slash my password. Okay. Now it's clear SCR. Clear SCR. Yeah. So now here, first, let's see, select star from EMP1. This table is there, not there. Just check it. Table 1 is there. Okay. This one is there, but this is not required. Clear SCR. Clear SCR. Okay. So now here table is not there. So create one table. Create one table called create one table. Okay. Then I will drop the table. Then I will show some things. Okay. Okay. So now suppose I want to create table. One create. I will do the recycle one. Create table like EMP. Okay. MP for MP1. ENO number. Okay. Table is not there. Number is there. Na? Number. I miss one part. Number is there. So table is created. Perform the commit operation. I will show you the when this is commit. Then I will show you the commit also. Commit and rollback. These are the very important. Okay. So now suppose here performing the operation like drop table. What is the table EMP1? Drop the table. Now drop the table. Just see. Describe EMP1. Is there or not there? Object is not there. Let's try this. Plus command plus back table EMP1 2 before drop. That's it. Now here recycle bin flashback table EMP not before drop. Okay. So line 1 is object not in the recycle bin. This is not there in recycle bin. Also I will show you how you can check in the recycle bin is data there. They are not there. So describe recycle describe recycle bin. Here these many tables are there inside the recycle bin. Okay. These many tables are there. These many things are there. Okay. So now I want to show original name. Select. I want to show select. These are the object and tables. The particular tables are there in columns. So I don't want to this. So simple. I want to show the tables. How many tables are there inside the recycle? So one is command select original underscore name from recycle bin. Recycle bin. Let's see. Now here from keyword not found where expected. Okay, from not a from. Okay. Now here see. No row selected. It means in the recycle bin, no table is there. That's why it didn't so okay. So now let's start our today's discussion, guys. So this is the related to recycle bin. So now here, now let's start. After that is good. So now light and recycle. Recycle bin. Recycle bin. In recycle bin, Oracle TMG, guided Oracle TMG introduced the recycle bin. Recycle bin, which is used to store dropped tables, recycle bin is read only table, read only table. Whenever whenever we are installing, Oracle, then automatically, so automatically, oh, automatically it's installed. Okay, automatically. Many many read only tables. Many read only tables are created. We automatically many read only table are created. These table, these table, these these read only tables called as data dictionary. Data dictionary. This table is called this. When you install the Oracle database, then some tables are created automatically, and those tables are suppose we are observe this. This one table is there inside the recycling, and some more tables are there. You can go and watch. You can see. I will show you. Don't worry, future. But up to that, just remember one point. If you install the database, then n number of tables automatically created inside the database. These tables, those tables created automatically called data dictionary. Data dictionary. Suppose, yeah, okay. Now, one concept is there. If you want, like first you drop the table inside the database, and here, observe this, guys. Observe here. If you want, drop the table. If you drop the table inside the, if you want to drop the table inside the recycle bin, then how? I will show you how you can drop the table inside the recycling. Suppose this is the one table, guys. This is the one table is there. Okay. So now this table is having. I will show you. Don't worry. Up to that, it's try to observe. I will show you all the geometry. This is the recycle bin. Guys. This is the recycle bin. Here, I think recycle bin. This is the recycle bin. Here, one table is there. This table is containing all object. This is the representation. This is the presentation of a table inside a recycle bin. Okay. Object name. Here, object name. You know in Oracle, what is the object, guys? If you ask anyone the question in Oracle, what is the object? So you can give answer properly. Table is the object. Sequence is the object, guys. Okay. And here you pass original name. Original underscore name. Original underscore name. Now hit. Okay, guys. Now original underscore name. Here is the suppose we created one table. Like first. We create one table first. So first table is there. Okay. This table is there. Now I will show you. Don't worry. This is the Oracle database. This is the Oracle data. Oracle database, guys. This is the Oracle database. Suppose inside the recycle bin, you want to delete this database. So now I want to delete I want to delete the table inside from recycle bin. Kelvin. Then how? This is the big question is there, guys. So now I want to tell you this point also. How you can delete, how you can delete, how you can delete the table from the recycle bin. Okay. So now we have one command, guys. We have one command. What is that command, guys? We have one command called purge. By using purge command, we can delete the data, but we can delete the table from the recycle bin. So in Oracle, we can also drop tables from recycle bin using one command purge, P-U-R-G. Purge this command. How we use I will show you. Purge this command. Okay. By using this command, we can use to drop. So now is to drop particular particular table from recycle bin. Recycle bin. So drop particular table recycling bin. What is the command? What is the syntax is? Syntax is, guys. Observe. This is important. Syntax is purge table, purge table and table. Table and that's it. This is the sentence. Okay. So how we can write it? How we can write inside the how we can write inside the how we can write inside the SQL. What is the SQL command, guys? So SQL command is observe, guys. SQL command is first. I want to create the table. Okay, first I want to create the table. Which create I want first create table. Create table first. First create table first. So first like ENO, I want to do ENO number like 10 and pass 10, that's it. So now copy this command. I want to create the table. So here just observe control V. Now table is created, guys. Table is created. Now come here. The next is performing the drop operation. So now SQL drop table. What is the name of the table, guys? First. So now here perform this operation on Oracle database. Parallelly, I will show you guys. So I hope not getting any confusion. Okay. Still you have table is dropped. We get the mass is table is dropped. Now let's see. Let's try. What is that? One more operation I want to perform. Let's see the recycle bin. So what is the describe recycle bin? Describe recycle bin. This is the command to check recycle bin. Let's see. Control V. Now recycle bin. One object is there, guys. Observe this. Okay, this is the object is there. Okay, this is the object is there. Inside the recycle bin, one object is there. Okay. So now when you perform this operation, I'm pasting this here. Okay. After this SQL, perform one more command to show. I want to show which object is existed inside the inside the recycle bin. So select original underscore name. Original underscore name. I want to show this name, guys. Observe this name. Underscore original name from which from recycle bin. This is the one concept, recycle bin. So now let's try this. So we will get one output like that. We will get output definitely. So begin with select. If the spelling is mistakes are there, guys. So let's try select. So now no row is there. No row is saying no row is there. Original is no row. Why it's showing no row? What object is there, guys? Object is there. May some having mistakes are there in my Oracle, but you can use this command. Now you can use this command. You can show the original name, guys. Okay. Now let's try this. Select. Yeah. Spelling is mistakes. Spelling is good. Select original. Command is good here, but it didn't show. I don't know. So now, before that executing, object is there. Object is there. I want to delete the object from there. Suppose object is there, it means data is there. Data is there and table is there inside the recycle bin. After that, I am performing what is that? SQL purge table, purge table first. Now let's try. Recycle object not in recycle bin. Purge table first. It's saying purge table is not there in my database, guys. Observe this. So this is showing this is the oldest database in my systems. Okay. Observe this. It's inside this when you're performing drop operation, it's dropping the table, guys. It's dropping the table from the recycle bin also. That's why it didn't show. Now let's see, describe recycle bin. Objects are there. Now use schema object and correct detail links. Some objects are there, didn't show. Some is the error are there. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Suppose I want to create one more table. Create table second. Now, yes and no. Number plus to 10. Table is created. Perform comment operation. Okay. So now let's drop this table. Drop table. What is the table name? Second table. I want to drop it. Table is drop it. Let's describe. Let's show. Select original name. Select original name from recycling. Let's see. So no row is there. So it's in my system, it's deleted directly. Okay. So I want to install. I will install. I will show you how to install 1219C. 19C I will install. Okay, don't worry. So when I will install 19C, then I will show you all these points. All this point related to this. Okay, guys. Up to that, it's not working. Some database related issues are there, guys. That recycle bin is not working. Definitely, when you perform the drop operation, drop is there inside the recycle bin. Then you can from the recycle bin, delete by using purge command. Purge command. But here it's performing directly is drop. So now, just to drop this topic up to that, just leave it this topic, guys. I will discuss this topic in the next session. So now. Next topic is about truncate. What is the topic is truncate. Very important point is the truncate at the interview point of view. Many interviewer ask the question on the truncate topic. So now Oracle 7, this is the introduced in the Oracle 7. Okay, truncate command. So truncate is command. Whenever using this command, truncate command table is deleted directly. The table is deleted like permanently from the database. So now write it. What is that? Write it. Yes, guys. Yes. Oracle 7.0 interface. Introduce truncate command. Introduce truncate command. Whenever we are using truncate command, truncate command, total data permanently permanently deleted from table. So now syntax is, guys, syntax is truncate. Syntax is truncate table first as first table. This is the syntax. First table and table name. Table name. So now example here. Example is SQL. Inside the SQL, write it one command. What is the command? First, I want to create the table. I want to create the table. Create table first. Okay, create table first, like ENO number. Okay. Let's execute this. Okay. Now table is created. Perform the commit operation. Okay. Now table is created. Now I want to truncate this table. So now truncate means delete the table from the memory. So now SQL truncate truncate table like put the table first. Copy this, paste it, unknown command with the truncate TA. So now it's some my database related things are doing something now. Truncate is spelling truncate. Spelling truncate table. Table is first there, guys. Table first. Yeah, table is truncate. Table is truncate, guys. Truncate. Spelling mistakes are there. Okay. So now table is truncate. You got the message. When you perform this operation, you got the message. Okay. Now let's see the math. Let's see again. Let's see. Left to start from first. No row is there. No row is there. Okay. So now let's see. Describe. Try first. So now ENCO is there. So now if we insert the data, suppose I want to insert the data. Insert into up to the don't valley. Insert into first values like 111. Inserted 22. I want to insert 22. 33. Okay. Perform the commit operation. Perform the commit operation. I'm pasting this. Okay. Now here, come here. Just now select star from first. Now let's see. Three data are there, no? Right? So now perform truncate. Truncate table name is first. Table is truncate. Let's see. Select star from first. Oh yeah. Spelling mistake. No row is there. All the data deleted from there. Okay. I want to put this so we can select. Now here, just enter this. Enter this. Let's copy this. Okay. Now here we have just paste it. Okay. So now next is perform the truncate. Perform the truncate operation. Next perform the truncate operation. Then duplicate this. Truncate. After the truncate, just see. Execute this line. Execute this command. Then we will get this. Now here, step by step process are there. Step. Okay, all the data is deleted. Truncate. So this is the all about the truncate. So now truncate is completed, guys. Truncate is completed. Now next one is rename. If you want to rename the table and column also as well as column also rename. Rename. It is used to rename a table. And renaming a column also. Renaming the column also. Okay. If you want to rename this command, give the facility to you, you can rename the column as well. Okay. So now here, syntax is rename old table name to new table name. That's it. This is the syntax or example. Example is guys, suppose I want to rename first to I want to rename first to here. New. Two is the keyword. Rename old table name. Suppose first is there. First to my. I want to change the name. First to my. Let's see. Control C. Copy this and try to execute here. Control V. Table rename. We got one message when you perform this operation. We got one message. Table rename, guys. Observe this. Are you observing, guys? Really, if you are feeling bored, just skip the video and watch another thing. It's not recommended for you if you are feeling bored. I am giving a free of cost knowledge, the valuable knowledge. If you join an institute, same knowledge they will give. Definitely same knowledge, guys. I am not. This IT study target means the free education, free IT careers. Follow this channel. In the future, I will provide all these things, all the type of educational videos I will upload. Here, all faculty will teach you. All faculty. I am arranging the faculty, other faculty, other subject. Right now, I am teaching. Right now, I am teaching, but in future, another faculty will come and teach you. It's not very. Just share with your friend, guys. This is your responsibility. Share with your friend. That's it. Okay. So now let's see. Remind. Now table is renamed or not? Let's check it out. So now let's say describe. First is there. Let's see. First is there. No. Describe. My is there or not? My is there. Guys. My is there. My is there. First check it out. This one. First I check it out. This one. So this one is not there. Second I write it there. So, Control C. Now here. Now here we get the mic. So now this is all about rename, table renaming. So one point is related to this. So one point is reminding. What is the point? Is the important point. This command in any database is a committed command. So not required to perform commit operation. Commit operation, it says that you can store buffer data inside the main memory. Okay. Commit alone, but if you perform thermal web inside the buffer, it will remove it. Okay. In future, I will tell you. When I introduce commit and rollback operations. Okay, don't worry. So now here renaming columns. Okay, note in all database systems by default all DDL commands are automatically committed. Okay. Committed. Yeah, committed. Okay. So now up to this is good. Up to this is we have finished. What is that? We have finished DDL queries. All the DDL queries we have done. Okay, in last two videos, 5 and 6 videos. Okay. So now next is DML, data manipulation. Data manipulation language. What is the DML? Inside the DML, insert is there, update is there. Okay. And merge is there. Merge is there. And one more thing is there. What is that? Delete is there. Delete it means data manipulation means, guys. Data manipulation means manipulate the data. Insert means you can insert the data, no? Insert the table. You can manipulate the data. And changing some performing some little bit changing on the same data. Same data. This is the manipulation data. So now what is that? Here I'm writing one point here. Observe this. This is the important point. These commands are used to. These commands are used to manipulate data in table. Where by using these commands we can manipulate data. Inside the where? Inside the table. Okay. So now let's see. Write it first command means first command insert. Insert. Important command. Okay, important command is important query. You can also say that this is the query. So this query is used to insert the data inside the table. If you want to insert the data table inside the table, then use this command. So now it is used to do, it is used to insert the data inside the table, inside the table. So we have first method to insert the database. Total we have three number of method to inserting the data inside the table. So in this video we will learn only first method. Okay, first method, and we wind up the session. We will wind up the session, guys. Okay. So now let's see. The first method number first is what is the method number first is, guys? Good. Method number first is, guys. Nothing but insert the multiple values inside the data by using first method. Okay. Now, suppose we insert the data, insert the data. What is it? Insert, passing the syntax here. Insert syntax. I'm writing directly syntax. So what is the syntax, guys? Syntax. First method, we pass this syntax. We use this syntax. What is it? Insert into table name. Insert into table name. Values. Okay, value 1 we can pass, or value 2 we can pass. N number thing we can pass it. Okay. Now here example. Now SQL. SQL. Suppose I have first we create one table. First we create one table. This is the DML table. Create table. Suppose create table like EMP. Okay. So pass ENO is nothing but a number like 10 size, and in name nothing but a varchar. Varchar we have already discussed, varchar 10 also required. Execute this query inside the database. So now commit. So now here already EMP is already there. So create one other table, EMP1. Okay. So now table is created, guys. Table is created with these two columns. Let's see. Describe EMP1. So now these things are coming. Copy these up to this is copied, and here paste it. Okay. Now table is created. This one is this. Okay. Yeah. Now up to this is good. Now little bit increase the height of the page. Okay. Now next is try. Let's insert the data inside the table. How? This is the command, simple command. So SQL here just passes insert into, this is the fixed keyword, into first table name. Suppose we have MP1, and here values is the fix values. Okay. First EMP number is suppose 103. Suppose 101 I want to insert. Okay. Comma, name is Raja. Name is Raja. That's it. Now let's try this. Control C. Data is inserted inside the database already. Let's see. Now here one error is there. What is the error? Column not existed. Number and Raja. Why? Because here double colon I used double colon, double quotes. So now here inside the data, a single quote will exist. Okay. Here is the string kind of thing is not existed. Table is committed. Perform the commit operation for the store the inside the database permanently. So now let's see. Select star from EMP1. Let's see. So now one not one rather is started or not. Copy this up to this is row is created up to this. So okay. Copy this and here just try to paste it. Okay. Delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. Now I want to delete the little side. Otherwise, it's copy in the left. Okay. Now here is good. Let's wait. Okay. Now here is good. Now it's good. Okay. Okay. So now here, see, yes. Insert into EMP1 values in the other one. Inserted or not? Inserted or not? Only one thing is failed today's session. What if the thing is failed? I will do it. I will change when I will change the Oracle. When I will change the Oracle, then I will teach you how to install all these things. But up to this, follow these instructions. So thank you for watching. We will meet next sessions. Oh, please go and join this channel if you're watching first time. Here I will upload all these things and follow my instruction. That's it. And next session I will resume probation also and Maven also I will teach you. Don't worry. So thank you for watching. We will meet next session. Thank you.